Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use Synthesia AI tool. Here you can go and type Synthesia. This one is the official website that lets you generate AI videos. You can create movies and different other options that you can easily use. So first of all, click here get started for free. And here you can see these are the different packages that you can select according to your requirement. So first of all you can use this and then click here continue to basic account. So what you can do in your basic account, you can create 3 minutes of video per month. And here you can see this one is starter package, in which you can create 120 minutes of video using AI. So I want to select this one, basic package, and here you have multiple options that you can select and create your free account. Okay, now account is created. Now let me select this one and this one. So you need to fill out these options. You can also skip from here. Then skip. After that, here you can see this one, create a video. Click here. Then you can select these templates. You can also start from blank. Now let me copy some text for a video that I want to create. This one. Let me remove this existing text and add here a new text. This one. Here you can also add your own scenes and click here generate button. This one is description. Here you can add title, enable website design, and click here generate in 10 minutes. Now it is working on it. Now let's wait for a few minutes. So guys, here you can see video generation process is almost complete, and we got this video in I think 7 to 8 minutes.